Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the magnification filter function on the ArtFlow application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers, we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the white circle on the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the 6 square on the top left corner of the screen. This is the home page, and tap to the 3 point on the upper right corner of the screen and tap to the settings button. Go to the painting section and you can find the magnification filter option and tap to the next white circle and this enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.